Hello Class 12 CBSE Computer Science students who are preparing for your compartment examinations next month. This video is here to help you revise and boost your confidence in key concepts. Let's dive in and ensure you are prepared well to crack your examinations. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's get started. Let us read the next type of questions under the random module. What possible outputs are expected to be displayed on screen at the time of execution of the program from the following code? Also specify the maximum values that can be assigned to each of the variables from and to. Okay, understand? So they have imported the random function as because they are using this random functions. So we are having AR, from and to variables. So what is AR? AR is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Okay, so this is your AR. And from value, what is the from value? The randint of 1, 3. So this randint function will be taking 1 and 3 inclusive. Okay, inclusive means it takes the upper end and the lower end, 1, 2, 3. And what is 2? 2 is also the same thing, random.randint of 2, 4. So let us write 2, 3, 4. And what is the next statement? For k in range from, 2 plus 1. Okay, let us write the same thing here. And what is the next statement says? Print AR of k, end is equal to hash. End is equal to hash. According to this, we are going to calculate all these things and find the maximum value for from and to. Okay, so for k in range, let me write the calculation part here. So we are having from 1, 2, 3 and 2 is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is the range function? So let us write. So the range function is from, 2 plus 1. On the first iteration, it can take range values. Let us write the range values one by one. On the first iteration, it can take the range value of what? 1, 2 or 1, 3 or 1, 4. Okay, it can take the range value of 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. Okay, so let us write that 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. That means you should add plus 1 here. Okay, so we are having plus 1 in the range function, so that's why we are adding this plus 1 here. So this 1 is taking this much values. So how much range it will be? 1, 3, then 1, 4, 1, 5. Understand? So what is the range value of 1, 3? So the range value of 1, 3 is 1, 2. And what is the range value of 1, 4? It is 1, 2, 3. And the range value of 1, 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay. So the next is, it can take the range function. 2 can take the values of 2, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So let us write that 2, 2 plus 1 and 2, 3 plus 1 and 2, 4 plus 1. So let us write the values for this. What is the value? 2, 3, 2, 4 and 2, 5. So let us calculate the answers for this. So what is the value of 2, 3? It can take the value, the range of 2, 3. So it takes the value of 2 here and 2, 4. The range of 2, 4, it takes a value of 2, 3. It doesn't include the last value. Then range of 2, 5 is 2, 3, 4. And the next thing, the last value is 3. So the 3 can take the value of 3, 3 and or 3, 4. It doesn't take the value of 3, 2. As because if you add 2 plus 1, it is 3. So 3, 3, the value of range will not occur. So that's why we are taking the value of range from 3, 3. So 3, 3 plus 1 and 3, 4 plus 1. Hope you all understand the concept. So 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 3, 4 plus 1, which is 5. So let us write the range value for this. So 3, 4 takes the value up to 3 and 3, 5 it takes the value of 3, 4. Understand? So these are the values, range values. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write the values according to that. So let us make the indexing of AR 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let us make the indexing. After that, just write 1, 2. So for the first range function, we are having 1, 2 here. So we are going to write 1, 2. Under the 1, 2, we are having what? They have given the print function AR of k, end is equal to hash. So 1, 2 we are having 30 and 40. So that you can write 30 hash and 40 hash. So let me write the answer. So our output will be like this. So first is 1, 2. 1, 2 is having 30 hash and 40 hash. So let us separate it with hash, 40 hash, and 1, 2, 3. What is the second iteration? The second range function, it leads to 1, 2, 3, which has 30, 40 and 50 respectively. So let us write 30 hash, 40 hash and 50 hash. Understand? The next is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us write according to that 30, 40, 50 and 60 hash. Okay. Under the next range function, when it is 2, so we are having 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us write that also. What is 2? 2 we are having 40, 40 hash and 2, 3 which is 40 hash and 50 hash and 2, 3, 4. So let us write line by line 2, 3, 4 which is 40, 50 and 60 hash. Let us write the last two range functions. What is 3? 3 is 50. So let us write 50 hash, 50 hash, and the next last one is 3, 4, and 3, 4 we are having 50 hash and 60 hash respectively. 50 hash and 60 hash. So let us now eliminate the options which will not come. Okay, so from this we can see that it's starting with 30, 40 and 50, but it is not starting with 10. So eliminate the options which is not occurring. Okay, so 10, 40 and 70 will not occur, and it is starting with 50, 60 and 70. So let us check for that also. So 50, 60 is there, but 70 we don't have. 50 hash is there, 50 hash and 60 hash is there, but we don't have 50, 60 and 70. So that's why we are eliminating this option. And the fourth option is 40, 50 and 70 hash. We are having 40, 50 and 60 hash. See here, 40, 50 and 60 we have, but we don't have 40, 50 and 70 as given here in the option. So strike out that. So the remaining thing is 30 hash, 40 hash and 50 hash. So let us check for that. We are having 30 hash, 40 hash and 50 hash in the second output section. Okay. Hope you all understand. So this is your output which is given here. So which is 30 hash, 40 hash and 50 hash respectively. And you should find the maximum value for from and to variables. So what is the maximum value of this? Let us see what is the maximum value. So the maximum value of from is 3 and the minimum value of from is 2. No need to write the minimum value as they have not asked the minimum values. Okay, just write the maximum values, which is 3 for from and 2 it is 4. Okay. Hope you all understand this question. Let us see on the next type of random questions on the next video. Study well. Thank you.